Hiro-san!
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon to you.
Yes.
Back in the studio. What a treat we have for everyone today.
Yeah.
Hiro-san,
Today we have a special beef.
Right.
We have, in 2 boxes.
2 boxes. Can
Yes.
you guys imagine what's even in here? But we have a very special guest too, Hiro.
Yes, we have a special guest, Chef Michi.
Hi, nice to meet you, everyone.
Nice to meet
Yeah, I'm Michi. I'm basically from Los Angeles area, and then also I am a Wagyu master. Today we brought the 3 loins, tenderloins, which is from Hida and Hokkaido and Miyazaki. So we're gonna have a comparison of the 3 kinds.
Okay.
Yeah, or the tenderloin. This one just delivered from True World Foods Miami branch. I'm gonna cut it open. Yeah, thank you. Tenderloin from Hida, which is a Gifu Prefecture. It's kind of middle of Japan. A5, it's 10 pound. Yeah. Here we have Hokkaido Furano beef. Furano, most of Japanese knows by the drama, and then this is the from there.
Okay.
Okay, and then this is also A5, and then we do carry Miyazaki Prefecture, and this is most common in the US.
Right. This is what we hear about all the time.
Yeah.
Chef Michi, tell us why the difference in Wagyu, why the price is different, and
Okay.
what the differences
I
are.
will tell you. The Miyazaki, this is very common and in a US market, and then I would say regular price, higher price, and very expensive there, something like that. And then this is kind of limited in a how do you say? It's for like a local supply only, and then it's rarely see in the Tokyo area and then some other cities. Yeah.
And where's it from? What city is that from?
This is from Gifu Prefecture. It's in between like Tokyo and Osaka area.
Okay.
Yeah. And then this is from Hokkaido, northern Japan. Yeah.
And this is from Miyazaki?
The Miyazaki is south of Japan.
Okay.
Yeah, Kyushu, Japan. Yeah.
And the best thing is you carry all 3 brands?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
But again, this is very, very limited.
Yeah. This is very limited.
Do all the True World stores carry it? All the branches?
Yeah.
Okay.
We just start carrying it from like September last year.
Okay.
So, yeah.
So very, very new.
Yeah.
Okay, Chef, what is the first step? You'd like to open this one up?
Okay, let me cut this one first.
Okay.
Open up. Basically, the tenderloins, the fat is very good taste, so you don't want to take that much. But over here has a silver skin, which is called silver skin. Very hard, tough, the skins inside. So I'm gonna take this out. So this is the skin part. This is enough, and a little bit here. And then maybe little bit trimming. tenderloin's main part is over here to over here,
Okay.
which is called Chateaubriand. And then over here is called head. And this one is Fillet Mignon, as you know. Okay, this is the Fillet Mignon.
So in the restaurant that you order, they usually get the filet mignon, just the end part.
You know, in the US, they cut whole piece by Fillet Mignon.
Okay, I see.
Yeah. So
Okay.
Let me cut three way. Maybe over here. And then over here. Okay, this is
This is the best of the best.
Chateaubriand.
Right.
Yeah. Okay.
Beautiful. Look at that marbling.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. And then this is head. And also, I'm gonna separate this part. This is the tender part for the fillet.
What do they call this part?
Head.
The head.
Head. Yeah.
So the whole thing is called the head.
The head. Yeah.
Okay, I
Yeah.
see.
Let me start for the Hokkaido Furano beef. Okay. This time I'm gonna do the shortcut.
Okay.
Okay. The tenderloin is kind of easy to change color, so I don't want to trim. I don't want to get trimmed. So unused part. So I'm gonna cut it here. And here, as I said, this is a Chateaubriand part. And then, as I said, there's gonna be a silver skin part inside of here. So I'm gonna trim it like this. Okay. That's about it. Okay. Okay. Should be good.
Okay.
Yeah. Like a little bit here, sorry. This is Miyazaki. This is, as I said, this is most common in the US market. Mostly you see is Miyazaki or Kagoshima in the US. I'm gonna do the same thing again. This will be a Chateaubriand, the head. Chateaubriand. This is very good marbling, yeah. Yeah, Miyazaki marbling is very good. Yeah, I would say.
How do you compare to the other ones?
The other one, this is good. This is good, but
That one looks even better.
this one better, yeah. Yeah.
And how about compared to
Hida,
yeah, let's bring one.
Hida is more like how do you say? Fancy.
More fancy?
The meat is marbling.
Yeah, even the color of it looks
Yeah,
different too, you know?
yeah. The BMS grade is almost same, which is this is A5, all A5.
All A5?
Okay, this is like a 10.
Marbling score
Yeah.
10?
This is 11.
Okay.
More very good. Yeah. So, yeah. But compared to that, yeah, this is good marbling.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very, very good.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let me trim. Yeah.
Here we go. Hiro-san.
Tasting pass.
Tasting part to the best. We're going to start with the best.
The best of the best first, okay?
Absolutely, okay?
いい感じですね。いい感じですね。Hiro-san looks very good.
Okay.
I'd love to know your opinion.
Yeah.
This is so tender.
So tender, right?
Melting in your mouth.
Smells so good. You guys know this gentleman, David from Sunset Sushi, Alley Cat, Sushi by Boo, the one, the only
Thank you very much.
David.
Good to see you guys. As always, Hiro-san and
Pleasure
I
to see you.
love our yakiniku, so here we are today.
Try this.
Enjoy.
Oh,
The best of the best. We saved it just for you.
Thank you. I'm over the whole thing.
You
All
just
right.
pick the best one. Ooh.
Wow.
美味しい。
Oishi.
美味しいですね。
Wow.
Not all beef is created the same, huh?
But it's not. Amazing. Thank you, chef. Thank you.
You're from Argentina,
Yes.
and you have not eaten beef in 2 years.
Exactly.
Wow.
Así que I think so. That this, I think is better
Let's try.
to the Argentine. Let me see.
One
2
bite.
years.
Ooh.
Now be careful what you say because
Definitely is really very good meat from Argentina. It's amazing meat. It's the
Yeah,
best
yeah.
meat I eat in my life.
Okay, next one is Hokkaido beef.
Okay.
Okay, so look at this. This is the Hokkaido. Okay, let's go.
gonna move to the Hokkaido. Try this one out. All right, David, please.
All right, round two.
Round two.
Perfect little piece here. Here we go. A lot more tender.
A lot more tender.
Oh,
Other one was super fatty. But amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go with Martin.
Alright, let me see the challenge.
This is from Hokkaido.
I think
This is number 2.
the last one is better for me. This is amazing too.
Yeah. The last one is better.
The last one for me is better for this.
Okay. All right, last but not least, we have Miho
Personal decision.
from In True World. Please let us know. This is the number 2.
Exactly.
oh, how tender is it?
This is very tender too.
Very tender. Okay. So compare number 1 and number 2.
I like number 1 better.
You like number 1 better? Okay. But still so good, right?
Still so good.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, this is the third one. Miyazaki beef.
All right, Chef David, we want your opinion. This is number 3. Miyazaki, the most popular one that you'll find anywhere.
Okay, it's
Okay.
a nice big piece here.
It was actually a really nice piece of Miyazaki as well.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be a big one. That's my favorite.
That's your favorite, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
As much as I like the fatty one, you can't eat too much of it.
Okay.
This, you can eat a lot of it.
Right, right, right. Sounds good.
Yeah, exactly. There you go. The Chateaubriand Wagyu.
Right.
That's my favorite.
Sounds good. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.
And you guys follow him on his social media and at his restaurants. We're at Alicat. I love that place. My new favorite restaurant, South Florida.
Thank you very much. I
All right.
appreciate that.
Hey, Miho, this is number 3.
Okay.
Miyazaki, please tell us what you think.
This is very fatty.
Very fatty.
It's
Yeah,
very
the-
tender.
The marbling was really incredible on this piece.
Right.
But personally, I like the number 1.
The number 1, right? Okay. Okay, Martin, this is number 3. Tell us what you think.
Okay, let me see.
This is the meat expert from Argentina.
I see it's good. I can watch your texture. It's amazing.
Very soft.
Let me see. For me, it's the second place. It's really amazing. The first is the best. This is for me the second.
The second,
and
okay.
Another in the third place.
Is Hokkaido. Okay.
Amazing. All 3.
Thank you so much.
No, thank you. You so much. you so much.
No. Well, what a great video, great comparison. Chef Michi, thank you so much for coming by today. Incredible beef. You guys saw earlier the difference. You can just see the color. I hope the camera is doing it justice. Bring out the color of all 3 of these Wagyu. And it was a treat to have you here. Thank you so much again to True World.
My
Hiro-san.
pleasure.
What a treat, huh? To have this beef here from a real Wagyu master chef. Incredible.
Thank you for inviting me, Hiro-san.
No, thank you. Thank you for coming.
And we hope to see you soon.